I just pulled into work. It is the 10th. It just started doing it again. And I don't have the hum plugged in. It's been unplugged for a couple of days. To me, it kind of sounds like it's coming from, down in there. It's louder on this side. It's like it's coming from where the fan is. I don't know. I'm gonna try and give it a little gas here. And I came back. And that was it. This sucks.